1 foot. Good day, YouTube. Out in my garage on this beautiful, sunny, cold December. We're checking out the Hardy Impact Gloves. Bought these from Harbor Freight. They were $7 with their Insider member club deal. Originally, they are $10. I got these for $7. Today, we're going to do a couple of tests to see if these are worth the $7 compared to their 15 plus competitors. We're going to do a couple of tests. We're going to do a smash test, cut test, and various other tests to see if these are worth it and are safe to use. As to give you a hint here, some of the tests we'll be doing, let's head to the backyard and break these things. Alright guys, so in my backyard, I'm going to do a couple of tests today. A smash test. I got my cinder block here. Got my axe and got my torch. So we're going to be doing a couple of tests, impact test, burn test, and cut test. So let's start off with the cinder block. First of all, I'm going to be doing a light drop from, let's say, 6 inches, and let's see how well it holds up. Alright, let's see here. Mainly unfazed. I don't see any scratches or anything like that. Seems to be holding up well. Still looks brand new. Alright, let's drop it up. Alright, let's try from 12 inches. 1 foot. Oh, it actually broke the tile. Let's see. Alright, let's try a different angle. Got the shadow in the way. 1 second. Alright, there you go. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so from a 12-inch drop, it still looks brand new. I don't think you're going to be slamming your fists against a cinder block from a foot away. So let's try the cut test. Got my axe here. Let's see. Oh yeah, this thing definitely cuts through. Alright, so as you can see, there are cuts. It does cut through. Actually cut through the fabric. Slight cut through here. So it's not too cut resistant. I doubt you're going to be slamming your fist against an axe, but you know, when you're doing car repair, you know, there are sharp spots, you know, especially when you're doing suspension work, brake work. I've actually cut my hand once slamming against a piece of metal. It was pretty bad. So for $6, if you're planning to do any work against really sharp objects, I would suggest getting a better gloves. I mean, these are not cut rated. They are cut rated gloves out there, but don't expect these or any impact or any plastic padded gloves to protect you from that. Alright, next, butane torch. Let's see how well this thing stands up to light heat. I'm not going to be cooking this thing for too long, so you know, let's see here. Let's see, let me add. Can't really see the torch on camera, but there is fire coming out. So you can see it's actually cooking the plastic. You see fumes coming out. Alright, I don't want to cook, you know, melt this thing. Doubt you're gonna be against any open flames or anything, but you can see the plastic is a bit melted. I actually torched some of the fabric, and it seems to be holding well. sold for $6. You know, there are regular mechanics gloves out there that are $6, but if you want that extra impact protection against cinder blocks or anything hard, you know, these are a great alternative and adds extra value to, you know, whatever you're doing. All right, let's head back in. It's freezing out here. All right, guys, back in my garage. Before we get started, just wanted to let you know I did notice a cut right through the gloves from the axe. So, to be fair, these are not cut resistant or rated for any kind of cut protection. So, you know, don't expect these to save you from thrown axes or anything like that. But it will provide some protection from sharp metal parts underneath your car or in your engine bay when you're doing some work. But other than that, let's do a comparison. These are my mechanics gloves. These I paid $8 for. So these are more than the Hardys, but these do not provide you know, plastic panels for impact protection. The only other difference is the Hardys have a fox leather palm. So, but these do have the rubber tips for, you know, if you're using a touchscreen. These do not. My complaint with the mechanics is these eventually will fray and you'll get holes eventually. But these are a real leather palm, so, and these both provide sufficient grip in my opinion. They're both around the same thing. But for the money, if you're paying $8, $9 for gloves, I would highly suggest getting the Hardys, as they do provide some protection. The only difference is, you know, with the impact panels, you might lose some flexibility. It's not that easy to grip or flex, but you know, when it comes to impact gloves, they're all like that. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Hardys from now on. The mechanics, I'm still going to be using them until they break. But you know, for the money, you get the added impact protection. So you know, I'd rather, you know, use this when I'm doing work in the car. But for the retail price, $9, I'd still, you know, prefer these over the mechanics. But when they do go on sale with Insider Track Club, I would definitely stock up on these. I've actually bought 4 pairs, considering they were like cheaper than my mechanics, and I just wanted to try them out. But anyways, yeah, if you see them on sale, make sure you grab a few. And yeah, see you guys next time.